face mask on. And if you guys want to know which one it is, I use the peel off black mask clean rinse. Okay, so I only do the areas that I like the oily the most. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. If you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, you can see in my other YouTube videos down below. But I could tell you what I use. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. And I use my Maybelline New York Concealer in the shade Light. And this like edge brush. It's gonna be from my NYX Ultimate palette. And I'm gonna be using this red, and a little bit of orange for the top part of my, using my base shadow brush from Sam & Nick Pro Techniques brush, and I'm gonna be using it for the red. Okay, so when I recorded this, I guess I did it backwards on my camera, so I apologize for that. Now I'm applying a blue right here in this one. After I apply the blue, this is what it should be looking like. Now I'm gonna mix a dark purple color and a dark blue color on the corner. I'm using this little tiny palette. It's called Pop Beauty. I'm using the silver color for the middle part. I also put concealer in the middle so the silver can stay. Now I'm applying orange and the red, the same that I used for the top underneath. Now I'm using my blush brush from Sam & Nick by Pro Techniques, and I'm going to blush it around my face. Now I'm taking my LA Colors contour stick, and I'm going to contour my face.
CJ knows.
Okay, so I started putting my lip liner in. The lip liner is Bittersweet from Ulta. And I'm not going to put the lipstick on yet, but I'm going to put my lashes on, so I'll be right back. My lashes on, I'm gonna add my lipstick. Now I'm using my Jasmine LaBelle lipstick in orange. Apply my setting spray. Okay, so this is the final look, and if you guys like this video and like this look, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.